Woman killed in two-vehicle crash in downtown Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A woman died from injuries she sustained in a motor vehicle accident at the intersection of Charles Street and East Street in downtown Kingston on Friday. Reports are that a Toyota Probox motor car that was being operated as a taxi collided with a Honda Fit. Early reports are that 3 persons, including the female, were injured. Reports are that the female succumbed to her injuries. The other 2 victims were rushed to hospital. The 2 that were transported to hospital, their conditions remain unknown up to the publication of this report. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.